So do trading bots really work? Well, that's what I'm going to be uncovering for you guys in this video. I gave my AI trading bot $40,000 to trade, and in this video, we're going to go over the results. Let's go. Welcome back to the video. This is the One Trading. At the One Trading, we dedicate ourselves to help you make the most passive income from your investment. We have automated trading systems that we have created using AI, and we can connect our trading systems to your trading accounts to generate you monthly automated profits. If you're interested, check out the links down below in the description. So without further ado, let's get right on with the video. I'm going to be showing you how my trading system has performed in the last 30 days. I gave it about $40,000 to trade, and we're going to be going over the last 30-day results. Let's jump right in. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you two trading systems that we currently use at the One Trading. On one of the systems, I gave it $30,000, and on the other one, I gave it $10,000. This is one of the trading systems that we use. So here are the results on TradingView. I'm also going to show you the results on the actual broker with the real live funds. But this is just so we can get an idea on how the TradingView results compare to the actual live results on the broker. So this is the last 30 days here. Actually, let's put it from November 4 to December 4. This is on one of the trading accounts. This one I actually gave it more money. I gave this one about $30,000. So as you can see, last 30 days has been okay. It's made about $1,600. It shows here. We'll see in the actual account. And then the second trading system that we're using is this one right here. And let's go ahead and check the last 30 days. So yeah, there you go. So this one is about $4,590 in the last 30 days. And this account, actually, I only gave it $10,000. All right, so this is the backtest results here on TradingView. So let's see how accurate these backtest results are. We're going to go over to the broker, okay, which currently we've been using Tradeovate. And so this is one of the accounts, okay? This is the first account. So as you can see, this account currently has $35,000. This one, I gave it $30,000. And at the moment, it's at $35,000. So as you can see, from November 4 to December 4, 2025, total P&L is $4,532. That's just on this account. So this account, $30,000. Now it's at made $4,532 in profit. Let's check the second account. So this account right here, I gave it $10,000 to start with. As you can see, it's actually it's currently in an open trade right here. It's in profit. This one started with $10,000. It's currently at $12,735. But let's run the actual results for the last 30 days. So let's give it a couple seconds here for it to load up. All right, there we go. So here are the results on this account. So this one, like I said, I gave it $10,000. So here are the results for the second account. So as you can see, $3,509 in the last 30 days. So 3,509. Let's go ahead and add this up so we can see the total that we made from both accounts, from a total of a $40,000 investment. So 3,509, as you can see, P&L right here. Plus, let's go back to the other account. And this one was 453245. So there you go, total of $8,000, total P&L from $40,000 from two accounts. So that's actually a 20% ROI in 1 month. So it was a very good month, to say the least. So total ROI, total profit, $8,000 in 30 days on a $40,000 account. Very good, especially for an automated trading system, which I don't have to sit down in front of the computer looking at charts all day. It's all already set up and automated because I already coded it into the system so that it can automatically take the trade entries and exits when it's supposed to. No human error. So yeah, there we go. As we can see, the backtests are pretty accurate. This is on that second account. So yeah, makes sense. All right, everyone. So there you go. I just wanted to review how the trading bot has been performing over the last 30 days for you guys. And remember, if you're interested in learning more about the One automated trading systems, check the links down below in the description. All right, so that's all for this video. Go ahead and give it a like if you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. As always, peace.